Hey there, welcome to my channel. Technical analysis for stocks, crypto, commodities, funds, anything you find a ticker for. Send it to me and I'll happily help you with the technical analysis for it. Just the timing in and out, stop losses, stuff like that. You do the fundamental analysis, I help you with the timing. I just want to show you one quick ticker here that I found over the weekend. This is something for my trading portfolio, not my investment portfolio. This wouldn't be an investment. This is a speculative trade. 100% based off technical analysis. There's nothing fundamental to look at here. It's an explorer. They own some land, and underneath the land, they've got some minerals that are worth something, or some metals. That's about it. That's all I know. But here's the technical setup I'm looking at. And once again, this is completely speculative. It's not the place to put a lot of money. It's just a place to put some money for something that might happen based on the technical setup. Not an investment. I've said that enough. So we're on a weekly chart here. Each candle's a week. This company is AMX. Once again, exploration company. Take this top here, run a line across it, make it green because we're above it. It means it is now support. These lines, when they're green, they're support. When they're red, they're resistance. Make it green. You can see here, there's your tops. We've broken out, and now we're just consolidating along the top here. And look at that. That's the line to gain right there. We want to get past that. Now, if you notice, this here is a huge and ugly cup and handle pattern. All right, you got your cup, got your handle, consolidating here, ready to go. That's impressive. That would be a big move. If this went from 6 cents to 370, that technically we have these measured moves where you go from the bottom of the head to the neckline. I'm going to make it orange just because you can see it differently. If this were to play out from here, and this is kind of why I don't like measured moves, because this is a little bit ridiculous. Your $3 stock goes to 230. Will it happen tomorrow? No. This peak here was in June of 2007. So it took almost 20 years. So in order, if it were to hit this $230 mark, you're looking at least 50% of this base. At least. So 10 years. So if you're willing to buy some and hold it for 10 years and leave it alone, yeah, good things could happen. It's one of those ones you want to watch. It's very volatile. Stop losses are a must. But it could, based on technical analysis, go that high. The other thing I found here, just to help confirm what I'm looking at, this is another line here. Where is it? All right, look at that. So right there, let's make it, leave it orange like that. So what we got here, shoulder, head, shoulder. So this green line here, the top green line, would be the breakout that we're looking for. Once again, the same measured move. You go from the bottom of the head to the neckline. It takes you to the same thing. So not only do I have the cup and handle, the green line, I've got an inverted head and shoulder. Now neither are perfect or beautiful. We've got some poking out here, poke out here. The head and shoulders on a bit of a diagonal. I'm still going to take a shot at this. 100%. I don't know if I'll do it this week just because of how last week ended. With the sell-off, there might be more selling off this week, in which case this will probably get more sell bids than buy bids just because it's speculative and this is where money's coming out. But this little chart is, when I sit down to look for charts on the weekends, just for technical setups, just for speculative buys, this is just screaming buy. And I have my trading accounts of 5% rule. I can only put 5% of the total value into one stock. When it goes up 5%, I sell 5% of my holdings. And it just sort of keeps cash flowing. And if something were to happen in these speculative stocks turn around and drop quickly, I have taken some profits along the way. So 5% rule, and that's my rule. You can make up your own. But yeah, this is a definite candidate. What am I looking for? Let's move over to the daily in terms of getting in. This green line right here, I just want to see it get above there. I want a little bit of strength. Could it come down to here, 372? Yep, most definitely, especially if we keep getting more pullbacks. So I want to see it weekly candle close above here, and that will be when the energy is there. You can see here we're on the weekly. My 34 weekly, the white line is still underneath. 200 daily still underneath. So this does have some room to come down and stay within my moving averages where I want them to be, both the 200 daily and the 34 weekly below. Good things happen when we're above these. As for a stop loss, pretty simple. That right there. I'll make it purple for you. If I buy up here and it comes back into here, that's fine. If it gets below this bottom right here, that'll be my out. So around $3. And I'll take my losses and move on. Doesn't mean there won't be another chance to get back in. This setup is technically in play unless the right shoulder gets breached way down here. But I may not want to sit on it to watch it drop down to 77 cents. If it's going to go, it'll go. If not, it might take another 3 to 6 months to resume the pattern that is setting up here. So anyway, that's what I'm looking at. Take a shot at it if you want. I can't tell you what to do, but from a technical perspective, this is one hell of a setup. Won't go crazy overnight, but over the next 10 years, if whatever gold, silver, whatever they've got sitting in the ground the spot price continues to rise and money keeps going into commodities, this will go up and possibly hit that mark. Highly doubt it, but even if it went from 5 to 10, that's 100%. If you got that in a year or two, that would be a good investment. Anyway, just something for you to look at. Once again, thank you for checking out my site here. My contact information is below if you want me to look at a chart for you. Send me an email, give me the ticker, the index, indice it trades on, and I'll make you up a video and tell you what I think. Ins, outs, stop losses, all that kind of thing. Yep, have a good one. See you.